Hello everyone, myself MS Bhagavadimal, Assistant Professor from AEDS Department, Subject Code CRA 332, Subject Title Drone Technologies, Unit-5, Topic name is Miniaturization of Drones. Miniaturization of drones is a rapidly advanced field with drones becoming smaller, lighter and more powerful. The miniaturization is given by technological improvements in electronic sensor and materials, making drones more accessible and capable of new applications. Technological advances enabling miniaturization, lightweight materials. It advances in materials such as carbon fiber, lightweight composite, and miniaturized batteries here allow drones to become a smaller without compromising durability or performance. Miniaturized electronics. Improvements in microprocessor, GPS unit, camera, and other sensors mean drones can carry powerful equipment while remaining compact. Compact power sources. Smaller, more energy dense batteries enable longer flight times for mini drones even with a reduced battery size. Applications of miniature drones. Military and surveillance. The military has adopted micro drones, that is, such as Black Hornet Nano for reconnaissance in urban and battlefield environments. Inspection and maintenance. Small drones are ideal for inspecting confined or hard to reach spaces such as pipelines, power plant, or industrial equipment. Then environmental and wildlife monitoring. Micro drones can be used to study wildlife or sensitive ecosystems without disturbing them. Then medical and rescue operations. Miniature drones can help deliver small essential medical supplies or communication devices to isolated or hard to reach locations. Consumer and recreational use. Mini drones are popular for recreational flying and aerial photography. They are portable, often affordable, and easier to operate in indoor environments than larger drones. Challenges in miniaturization. Power and battery life. Smaller drones face limitations in battery size, which constrains flight time and payload capacity. Wind and environmental stability. Mini drones are more susceptible to wind and environmental factors. Signal range and communication. Smaller drones usually have reduced communication ranges, which limits their use in long distance or PVLOS, that is beyond visual line of sight operations. Payload limitations. Because of their small size, these drones can carry only lightweight sensor or small payload, limiting the complexity of the task they can perform. Future trends in drone miniaturization: swarm technology, advanced power solutions, micro AI and autonomous systems, then biomimicry and nature inspired designs. Thank you.